Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Uber just made a huge update that you do not want to miss. A major update to the app, and this will affect you if you're an Uber driver. This will totally change the way your app operates, your day operates as a worker. But before we get started with today's video, I wanted to tell you all about Ivycard. Ivycard is a brand new company that is giving cash advances to Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, and gig workers across multiple platforms. So if you're a gig worker, Ivycard is for you. If you ever are in need of cash in between the time that you get paid and you need to pay your bills, Ivycard will help you out. You can get a cash advance from them, and they only work with gig workers, so it's an awesome company to work with, and they really do care about gig workers. So sign up with my link for Ivycard. If you ever need a cash advance, they'll take care of you. And now let's get on with the video. Uber has just announced that they are launching a new service called UberX Share. This is now carpooling. Every Uber driver's worst nightmare is back just in time for summer. Okay, when you just thought, if summer's getting slow, now you can start doing carpooling rides. Welcome to being an Uber driver in 2022. UberX Share brings carpooling back to New York City, LA, Chicago, and 6 other cities. Last November, Uber launched a pilot of its Uber Pool replacement, dubbed UberX Share, in Miami, Florida. Today, the company says shared rides have returned to 9 cities: New York, LA, Chicago, San Francisco, Phoenix, San Diego, Portland, Indianapolis, and Pittsburgh. Like Lyft, Uber paused its pool service in March 2020 with the onset of the coronavirus pandemic. Lyft shared rides resumed in several cities over the last few months, and now UberX Share is following a similar rollout. According to Uber's Senior Vice President of Mobility, Andrew McDonald, the feature will only match riders headed in the same direction and is designed to add no more than 8 additional minutes to your trip's arrival time. So what does that mean? Basically, also the requirement for mask wearing has changed to optional but recommended for all drivers and riders, with allowances for local regulations. You're also no longer required to sit in the back seat. Whoa! But the UberX Share FAQ page says that to give the driver space, only use the front seat if you need it. I don't see why you would need it, but because UberX Share will only match you with 1 passenger per trip. So why would the passenger need to sit in the front? That doesn't make any sense to me. Anyways, that's the update, guys. Big changes. I will obviously keep you guys up to date the more I get more information. This was just announced, so I don't have too much. But otherwise, thanks for watching today's video. You guys are amazing. Comment your thoughts of this one. Don't be shy in the comment section, and I'll talk to you guys soon.